Is it starting? Yes. Alright, Surabhi. So tell us about your love life.
My love life?
Yes.
Not really going well right now.
No?
But
Okay, then we'll change it. We'll interview about something else.
Something good, yeah. Let's talk about happy stuff.
Okay, let's talk about happy stuff. So, alright. So, give me names, 4-5 names that come to your mind about women's bags and shoes which are not in the luxury category. So, obviously...
Justin Keith. Can I talk about brands or anything that I think of?
So, just to complete, bags and shoes which are in what we call the affordable luxury category, so just below luxury.
Okay.
And 5 or 6 names, just top of mind. What comes to your mind?
Okay, so because I know Stuart, I work here.
Yeah.
Then Michael Kors.
Yeah.
Then I would call some Steve Madden Aldo, but that's what's available here. Armani jeans.
Globally, no, that's bags and shoes. Women's category.
No, so Armani jeans also has bags.
Okay.
So that's one of those not so expensive Armani versions.
But aspirational, affordable luxury.
Yeah, honestly, it's kind of affordable, but I can talk about
and may not be a brand available in India.
Furla.
Yeah.
And
so brands not available in India that you aspire for?
Actually, I'm not so much into bags, and the ones which I genuinely aspire for right now are all in luxury category.
Okay, alright. So let me ask you, so I'm going to tell you 5 names, 2 of which you mentioned, which is Michael Kors and Furla.
Okay.
Have you heard of Tory Burch?
Yes.
But
I associate it more with shoes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's why I said bags and shoes.
Yeah.
But you prefer Tory Burch shoes?
Yes, shoes too. Yes, I do.
And Coach?
Coach, yes, of course. US, but yes, Coach.
And Kate Spade?
Kate Spade, not so much.
But have you heard of the brand?
Yes, of course I've heard of the brand. I've seen the images, it's color, it's nice for working women.
Alright, so let's focus on these 5 brands. So we are going to focus on Michael Kors, Coach, Kate Spade, Furla and Tory Burch.
Okay.
Do you own any piece of merchandise on any of these 5?
I own Michael Kors, I own Furla, I own just a wallet of Coach. Tory Burch nothing, and Kate Spade nothing.
And all of this bought in India?
Michael Kors bought in India through Collector. Actually, Furla bought in India again, yes. Michael Kors also bought outside in Italy once, and Coach bought from the US.
Okay. So, given that your aspiration is more towards getting into luxury, but if over the next 6 months you had to buy one of these 5 brands, either a bag or a shoe, preferably a bag, what would be your number 1 preference?
So basically I would want to fill up my wardrobe, so what I don't have is what I want to buy. One, of course, I'm out of wallet, so I'd rather buy one of the wallets. So I already have a Michael Kors, so I'd rather try a Coach or a Tory Burch there. I don't know, I've never seen Tory Burch wallets so much, but I definitely want to have a Tory Burch ballerina or a slip-on kind of a thing. So either of the 2.
Okay. So either a Coach wallet or a Tory Burch.
Tory Burch slip-on, yeah.
And rank these 5 brands for me in your own mind from just pure aspirationality, stroke value for money. So again the 5 is Coach, Michael Kors, Furla, Tory Burch and Kate Spade.
Got it. So I would do Tory Burch and Michael Kors together in some way, Coach and Furla and Kate Spade.
So you're saying number 1 position will be shared by Michael Kors and Tory Burch?
Yeah.
And then 3 and 4, third is Coach.
Third is Coach, fourth is Furla,
and fifth is Kate Spade.
Yes.
Alright, thank you.